Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And all things that's good. You know, see it. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. And viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow it. Because you don't know. Press like and comment. And make we have a discussion if we can in the comment section. Because you don't know, all who we disagree with, all who disagree with me. We love hear them opinion because at the end of the day, I learn too. See it? Yeah, man, get that clear. Enough of them things a question where I ask. Enough of them things are just my opinion personally. When we get full knowledge and understanding of what really are going on, we're good. See, I'll move on. Yeah, good again. I'm afraid to admit that. See. So we'll continue upon the story of raps now. You see raps, Kappa. Kappa is a hard pill for swallow. See. And something we Lego. Me personally. See, so and something we want to talk about and say this is the end. Feel like say the conversation will never end. In regards to the great man. What we are trying to shed some light and reignite some concerns. See, and some aims. See, and shed some knowledge upon where the things start and how the things start. I say how the thing reach where there. So as to we might be able to motivate the youth them some level upon the positive benefits to the rest of the community around them. See it and help further help preserve them life and give them some ambition. Them show them say you're not just born for dead. I'm to the in between. See it. Your life valuable and your life valuable just like any man out the Rasta. See, because your life valuable. And mad love for you see him with respect. See it, and uno the soldier, and uno for know how long you can, if I stress make the item I do what them I do. If I stress the item can't be here and just prepare and decide, so well then we want dead. So we just take up this thing and we just walk with it until dead time come. See, cause end of the day the item it has been shown already, it's been proven time and time over say, from nothing to something, we could put it that way, man. We say, Siaga talk to Kappa, man. Make Kappa know so for help put him, Siaga, in a power, man, and then make him be give him such and such a portfolio in a politics. And I've said that for about a month now, and nobody not challenge it. None of the man them from back then. None of the big labor right them or top labor right now never challenge it. See, anyway, I'm telling you, the man them beat wire. A mad wire, turn wire in a madman and thing like that, because wire himself say him nah further pursue, partisan violence against nobody in a Jamaica again. A oneness him a try say. You know see it. Mass up say the same thing. You know see it. Now, mind you, this was Siaga's MO, the leader for the JLP party, the party where all of them fall off. Seeing him did ardently support this divide and conquer type thing. Even, you know, Michael Manley wasn't so much into it, brutally, verbally, or actively seen, but in a sense, still, in politics, maintain such an agenda. Could have, a lot was being done to eliminate that thought process out of the people, the device and things like that. Yes, to be fair, because, you see, but it existed anyway because I just like I said, the nature of politics from day one, from the generation before him. You see, and it wasn't gonna just change. So that never happened. Significantly if it changed. You see, Kappa was the most significant thing, and Kappa never aligned with any of them in particular. You see, yet still again, we look on the rural section of Jamaica where never wouldn't expect them to embrace Kappa to any degree either. You know, see it. So again, we'll just start about Kingston or show but you know, you never know what the ripple effect of his power would have been had it been more I could say, you know, through certain channel then resource where him could have did employ certain resource across the board, make all people feel I see the benefit of his intent. You know, see, you know, again, like I said, most people wouldn't have experienced Kappa, so they wouldn't know where he is about. You know, see. So, I think both sides of the party, from my investigation, both sides, both political party had enough, you know, see it, and conspire to kill Kappa. And through the greed of our CM, Kappa CM, youth them, where connection them where him have across Kingston, I feel them compromise and, you know, naivety. And why Kappa got killed, because if them never show certain, because it might sound like a myth, but if them never show certain level of acceptance to such an idea, no way would the politician them threaten them position by carrying out such an act. I not ask that, I know that 100%. You know, see, because like me say, 1976 election, a Kappa give that to the PNP. You know, see, and them get him out of prison as a swap. Yeah, we're not go around with that. You know, see it. Yeah. See, so if the rest had done them cross Kingston, the mass up them, the Welsh them, the whole of them, if them never play a certain level of blind eye and deaf ears to the calling for kill Kappa, it wouldn't happen. You know, see, because even Shabba, the man them infiltrate, Siaga managed to infiltrate Kappa gang in a Warieka Hill. You know, see it, even though the spy was doing so unconsciously. You know, see, because Shabba, Derek Adair, end up now asleep with a politician woman, a very politician woman today. She old and don't look like anything that she used to look like back then. But she used to Derek Adair. Every night them go meet up around a Jarrett Lane side of things. Because the thing about Warieka, you know, the step of them back in them days there. The man them used to have them own a little area at the hill where certain man mass up have film here. I mean little mass up have film little area here. So seeing Adira film, Shabba film little area, run a Jarrett Lane side, and Flash, and the man they used to love that little side of things there. Kappa used to the more around to over Shanty, closer to Renoclad side of things. You know, see? So you used to have little camp, different camp still. See? No matter, as soon as things get at every man know for meet up and everything. Yeah, and everything collide. If you notice, me edit that video there, so. See? Got a politician woman used to come check, I'm call her name. Unconsciously call her name. I'm not ready for call her name yet. See? She used to come check Shabba. See? And them do them thing around there in the bush, in the car, or whatever, because them have an ongoing relationship. You know, see? See, I got use her as him or always use her as a ears on the ground for know what go on in a certain man headspace. Because after Shabba dead now, a mass up she fess up with. See? And she start, a mass up she start there with now. Till mass up dead. Years after Chubby Dread. Now Chubby Dread are the only man where wouldn't say dead by she. Because really and truly he was a plant. Chubby Dread and Jim Brown in my knowledge, them a plant. You see I got plant them like many other man. You see many other man. Like buy a car now, brother. Sitting under Mitchell where him turning a police. Practically a police in Jamaica, a man where actually I tell him so I can't read and write, you know. I don't know if I write statement, I don't know if I read statement. You can't, I don't want that work here, you can't give me if you do. Him make him know say, listen, go do what I tell you if you do. See? And till eventually the man becomes a well-known police officer. Because West Kingston, you see, we know a plant him a plant and I do see I got dirty work for him, now go admit that. See I got spy that on the ground. And I'm a black man like myself, most of them, me I tell you. See him? And when they dig in and look back on the mentality there, you know, and wonder why you try to work out why your own black brother believe so much, you know, the oppression of him own black people. That's him actually becomes, you know, a servant of the same institution where I oppress, where did I oppress him all him life, where did inevitably cause him brother life and all of them things there too. You know, see, Jim Brown and Chubby Dread was plant, man, like many other Siaga agent them when pitch cross Jamaica. Dixon was one of them out of Rockfort police station again. You know, see when Siaga pass on him campaign or come from airport and them thing there, Dixon, you see a ride beside him, ride around him, a big bike, the biggest, prettiest bike in the crowd, a police Dixon. And they might look on everybody and the beer muggling and go on the most ways. Abject badness. Just like when you see Andrew Wallace go on with today. You see? So, Kappa, yeah. So, the woman now set up the Caymanas robbery. Siaga and the woman now plan the Caymanas robbery. You know, see, I met the woman plant it in a Shabba head. Because Kappa never got Caymanas park before, you know. You know, see, because them can't catch Kappa or trap Kappa, or even at some point keep them afraid. Them no want them see Kappa as more of a threat politically to them right now if them murder him or kill him in the street like that. You know, see. So, easier them set him on a robbery, catch him in a criminal act and thing like that and push him over. See? Shabba was the prime person, you know? And plan the robbery, and when them reach Flash, Shabba, Rocky, Kappa. Seen? I don't remember the next one name. Seen? But when I was Kappa first, then Flash the right behind Kappa. Seen? And Flash kick out when Kappa kicked the door. The boy start bust bare rapid with a chopper, same like Kappa 1. Seen? Now, when the boy start shoot, him shoot Kappa gun. Seen? Shoot the clip, right, shoot out the clip out of the gun. Seen? And crack the little thing, the housing where the clip go up in. Seen? But anyway, Kappa still take out him two pistol them, automatic pistol them, and kill the police officer. We shoot him and kill. I think him shoot another one and thing like that. Still manage to come to him, bridging them, and give Flash them, grab him and carry him go to a certain point and think Flash and Rocky. Seen? Him give Flash the machine gun and give Rocky the 2 handgun. Seen? And tell him, so don't make the boy them, get out, make Babylon get him gun them. You see it, and for use them, carry them go and go use them, continue in the struggle, and continue the struggle, because him feel him life a ebb still. See? Him never get to make it off a came and has ground the day. See? There's a man them take with themselves and thing, and later on Flash carry the gun go up a jungle, and a jungle them run we go take cover still for a bit, you know, and Welch give them back a clip, give them a SMG clip, submachine clip. Seeing? But you see, the whole thing now is that conspiracy was rife. The rest a step of them, really and truly, not trust nobody, not trust Garden man too tough again. Seen? Shabba still alive, Rocky still alive, and the whole thing. Seen? But man, them never too trust Garden man, because even pan Kappa 9-night, Garden man keep a 9-night for Kappa in a garden. T gonna eat for about 3 days. Never did eat for about 3 days. We gonna know what reason. See? And when 9-night T go there drink for about drink. And get drunk and start vomit. You see, so him start vomit now. Him pull out him gun them and get paranoid and upon the crowd in a garden, you know, and I say, who poison me? Eh? Which one no poison me? No kill Kappa and poison me. So I saw garden now, and garden people know, say, mass up now, and all of them know, so the youth them pray them, because you see T going in them drunk stairs, ball it out and say, I want to gun down some of them. You know, see it. I want to calm him down and take him out of the garden and you know, see it. Well, I think Flash never go back at garden from that, because Flash never trust the whole process of what go on. You know, see it. Now, Derek Adair dead as a result of the confusion behind how Kappa dead. You know, see, because everything I add up now, and it a come out say, Adair did a juke the woman there, and she might take information from Fugo. Pull off for a year, police killed Derek Adair, you know. But the death that was as a result of how he make Kappa dead. You see, because everybody start work it out now. I say you gotta take works from that woman there after you know say Siaga want kill off the whole, I don't know. You know see it? Siaga send a little pum pum they come in at the group. I wanna know say she a plant and it's something that we did a hide. You know see it? So I saw police go back for Shabba and mash him up for that, for Kappa death. You don't know how some people pray it or how some people are going to look upon it, but you know, see if you study the history of things. See, now from this on now, you start observe the rise of certain mentality. The whole thing becomes entirely political. You know, see, you have the rise of Jim Brown, you have the rise of George Pang. You know, see, Tony Brown and George Flash get caught. You know, the Ogilvy thing from 77, but see, the Ogilvy thing now, it automatically taint them as political activists to a degree, and where them in a line. But again, like I said, that wasn't their intent, you know. They for them intent, I just forget on the revolutionary agenda and start roll back with and hook up back with raps as a legitimate wanted man. Them always a walk with raps, you know, up and down with raps, but them did their prison and come back from prison and them cool. Nobody know them of such, no new crime of such. So them get the opportunity for move up and they take it. You know see it. And in so doing now them names start call and them they back on the map. The simple fact so well then Ogilvy wasn't like a chicken. Ogilvy was more of a substantial political figure, you know? And him did a ruffle some political feathers at the time. You know see it. And them claims that they were they were influenced the wrong way, but I don't think it couldn't have been a way where anybody has said they were lied to. Because everything what did go on in regards to Ogilvy's interest was open knowledge to everybody, especially those in the geography of where the affair took place, particularly Burger Gully, East Kingston. Kingston, as a matter of fact. Because you may tell you may read it in the book band for them, they must say, Bury boy, mass up, stark, everybody that they eat food off of the gully. So it was a public affair. You see? So, nothing secretive about that. Everybody knows Ogilvy's intent and thing. You see? The man them took the challenge, given the facts well and it all. Give them the you know, because some poor people, you see, they were already motivated for hurt people like them there. But again, it's like the backing, you know, was never there to the degree now them get certain backing from certain sectors. So obviously them take the opportunity, you see it, because of them MO. Or at least them imaginary MO. Until now, authorities are help make it a reality. So yeah, and them amongst Kappa now again, the name we call amongst Kappa, we was kind of short lived because the next year Kappa died at Cayman Spark. You see, one at 77, one at 78. See, died in a Cayman spot, but them was always, you know, them always have the rapport there still, where the three of them usually step from a younger age, you know. And we don't know, we want to say health and strength and more life to the big man where Cause you see the man, you have them boss still alive, you know. The man who usually make them know say youth, when you stay in a school, you know, you are gonna be a stepper. You know, you always have that older man there than you where are looking at the crowd and you know, I make you know certain things according to your nature. You see, the man that's still alive. You see, enough respect. Man, I love to stay quiet still, but I say go. You know, we have to appreciate that and respect that. You know, see it, but don't know still. We know say certain things we not gonna hear. We not gonna see in a newspaper. I see it in a them book. You know, see it. Certain truth. So we do our best because again, I you know see it at the real thing. And without the knowledge you not have nowhere to go. Without knowledge of oneself, one don't have no direction, you know see it. So yeah. Yeah man. Politics and politicians kill Kappa through naivety. The same people them around him. Some of the people them around him. You know, particularly Warieka there. And I hope somewhat in another one, yeah, I don't really call the woman name. I have to go watch them over. They're ready to call her name yet. See, but I know enough, I don't know who still. She single-handedly responsible for the death of Kappa. You see, you don't know, respect. Mad love. Share, like, and subscribe.